What is happening, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I am going to talk about what is going to happen in 2020 and what is going to happen before the end of 2019. So before the end of 2019 I have planned a Q&A video, but with doing a Q&A video I still need some questions before I can give answers. So please leave your comments and questions and such in the comment section below, so I can gather them all up. So yeah, so I can make a video about that. I will answer these in a motovlog kind of manner with the Facecam on, because right now the Facecam is rather useless because you cannot see my face. But yeah, that is kind of the idea. Also, I have a little video planned about the mods on the bikes, because it has also been maybe 3 months or something about with the last kind of mods on the bike. Like right now I have Power Commander. I don't know if that was on the other video, but alas, I will still make a video about that. Also in 2020, what is going to happen? I am looking for a project bike under 1,000 euros, under 700 actually, and yeah, I still don't know what kind of bike it would be. Will it be a street bike? Will it be an enduro? Will it be a supermoto? Maybe it will be a four-wheeler, an ATV. I honestly do not know, but we are still looking into it. Then more rides, more ride-outs, more meetups, more barbecues to go to maybe. Well, yeah, motovlog stuff, things motovloggers do is working on their bike, riding around, going somewhere where other people aren't going maybe. But yeah, here is also a little extract from a clip with a ride that I have done with a mate in, what do you call it, in last week. Zolang dat we in beweging blijven, gaan we niet steken. Kassijn. So yeah, that is kind of the idea in 2020, to upload more interesting things, like how to replace your tires or something, and also maybe a review about the VFR 800, because I also have it almost, I think, a year, and I still haven't made a good review about this bike. But it's also because I have modified a lot of stuff on it, so it isn't really the standard bike you imagine it would be, that you would buy in 2004. So yeah, leave those comments for the questions and answer video in the comment section below, and I will see you next time. Oh fuck. Holy shit, that was a save. That was a fucking save, man. Woo! Otherwise I was down.